Alright, so today we are taking a deep dive into something that honestly feels like it's pulling the future straight into your everyday life, and that is the Even G2 smart glasses. These are not flashy camera glasses or awkward-looking tech experiments. These are designed to be everyday display glasses that you actually want to wear all day. I've spent time looking at how they work, how they feel, and what they're really trying to solve, and the whole idea here is simple. Give you information exactly when you need it, without pulling you out of the moment or shoving a screen in your face. Before we go any further, if you enjoy in-depth reviews of cutting-edge tech like smart wearables, AI-powered devices, and future-ready gadgets, make sure you hit subscribe and drop a like on this video. It really helps the channel and lets me keep bringing you hands-on reviews like this. Now let's talk about the display, because this is the heart of the Even G2. The first thing that stands out is how natural it feels. You get a floating display that sits just where you need it, sharp, stable, and surprisingly easy on the eyes. It's significantly larger than the previous generation, with crisp text that stays clear from edge to edge. No shaking, no blur, and no weird distractions. What I love is how notifications are handled. Important alerts pop up closer and take priority, while anything ongoing quietly steps back. You stay focused on the real world, not buried in menus. One of the biggest upgrades here is Conversate, which is where the AI side really starts to shine. This is contextual AI that actually listens to what's being said around you and helps in real time. During conversations, it can explain terminology, surface public bios, suggest follow-up questions, and even generate subtitles or summaries without you asking. The key thing is discretion. Nobody knows you're getting help. There's no voice command shouting or obvious interaction. You just stay confident, engaged, and in control of the conversation. If you do want to interact directly, saying hey even wakes the system up instantly. You can ask questions, control features, or pick up right where you left off because the AI remembers context. It feels less like talking to a gadget and more like having a quiet assistant in your corner. For presentations or speaking, the teleprompt feature is especially impressive. Your words scroll in sync with your delivery, letting you maintain eye contact while staying perfectly on script. Translation is another area where these glasses feel genuinely useful. You get real-time subtitles in your own language during conversations, supporting dozens of languages. Pair that with navigation, where clear directions overlay your real-world view, and suddenly you're moving through new places without ever pulling out your phone. Add in the dashboard view, notifications, and quick to-do lists, and you start to realize how much friction this removes from daily life. Control is handled through the Even R1 smart ring, which is honestly a brilliant idea. Instead of awkward gestures or constant voice commands, you just tap or scroll naturally. It's discreet, intuitive, and it also tracks wellness data in the background, making it more than just a controller. It feels like an extension of the glasses rather than a separate gadget. Design-wise, the Even G2 absolutely nails it. These look like premium eyewear, not tech goggles. The lenses are incredibly precise, tailored exactly to your prescription, and they're thinner than before while staying stable. The frames use aerospace-grade materials, with titanium and magnesium providing strength without weight. They're also resistant to dust and water, so you don't have to baby them. Battery life is another win. You can easily get through multiple days on a charge, and the case holds enough power for several full recharges. Everything is managed through the Even Realities app, which keeps customization simple and clean. Looking ahead, the upcoming Even Hub opens the door for developers to build new tools, which means this platform is only going to get more powerful over time. At the end of the day, the Even G2 isn't trying to replace your phone. It's trying to remove the need to constantly check it. Information comes to you when it matters, stays out of the way when it doesn't, and blends into your life instead of interrupting it. If this is the direction smart glasses are heading, it's honestly exciting. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on future tech like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. It really supports the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.